Hi, I'm Dr. Clarissa Francis. I am a speaker, consultant, and educator. My entrepreneurial journey started with my interest in health, sexual health, maternal health, mental health. I started out as a health peer educator, later becoming a trainer for health peer educators in the colleges. And I've worked in the field of public health related roles for going on 15 years. And I worked with many grant-funded projects addressing health disparities among African-American communities. And I noticed that there were gaps in the discussion on healing, culture, and also training on these topics with community engagement and program development, cultural competency. So I offer consulting services to nonprofits and health programs on different topics around cultural competency, community engagement, and grant support. And I do that with, I've done this work in Atlanta, Georgia, and now I'm doing work in my hometown, Cleveland, Ohio. And I'm also open to opportunities all over the U.S. and the world. The goal is to continue and grow my consulting business with Blue Garnet Consulting. As a lead consultant, I would like to train other students and early professionals on these different topics of how to address health equities, different communities, and also come into different health programs at the schools or in health clinics, and also working with early professionals and medical professionals and any individuals or groups that are working to address health disparities, specifically addressing maternal health, sexual health, and mental health. A lot of my work is centered around Black women, sexual liberation, which my research is centered in that work. And so I also offer speaking and workshops around this topic. And I've also written about my research and also my personal journey. The work that I do is personal. It is more than just my work. It is my life. And so I also plan to continue to doing this work, as I mentioned, here in Cleveland, Ohio, with the goals to fill those gaps with education, so raising awareness around the different topics that's related to maternal health, sexual health, mental health, also advocating for populations in those different areas, and also offering support for those early professionals and students and individuals who are doing work in this as it pertains to addressing health equities. And so this is clinicians, this is practitioners, scholars, health educators, and also to encourage collaboration between different industries and disciplines. And so I am excited about my journey of where I am today. Now 15 years later of being in this work, I plan to continue, and I'm excited to collaborate with like-minded individuals, again, here in Cleveland, all over the U.S. and in the world, to also travel and to connect with those who are doing this work. And you can, so stay tuned for what is to come with Blue Garnet Consulting. And again, I'm Dr. Clarissa Francis. Thank you.